Hi children, welcome to VIN school. I am Maithili here. Now we are going to see the 6th chapter. Okay. Basic operations on decimals. Basic operations on decimals. Decimals that we know now. We saw in your last chapter, no? Yes. So in this chapter we are going to see the basic operations. What are all the operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, like that. Okay. On decimals. How we are going to add decimals, how we are going to subtract decimals, that we will see in this chapter. In this chapter we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of decimal numbers, multiplication of decimal numbers, division of decimal numbers, word problems. Okay children. So this thing we are going to see in this chapter. Come, we will see the first topic, addition and subtraction of decimals. Okay, addition and subtraction of decimals. So what are all the points to remember? Come here, come, we will see what are all the points while doing addition of decimal. For adding or subtracting decimal numbers, convert them into like decimals. Okay, like unlike decimals that you know, no? Okay, so to add and subtract the decimal numbers, what all the numbers given decimal numbers, we should convert it into like decimal first. Add zeros at the end, okay, in order to convert them into like decimals. So how can we convert it? Okay, we can add by adding 0 in the end. Okay. See, for example, for adding 2.321 and 4.6, okay, look here, how many digits are there after the decimal point 1, 2, 3? Here, how many digits are there after the decimal point? Only is one digit. So, it is unlike decimal. How to convert it into like decimal? See, we can add zeros. So, write the numbers as 2.321. This number you write as itself, and this number only one number is there, no, after decimal point. So, we need 2 more decimals to make it like decimal. Both the decimals should be having, should have what? Equal number of digits after decimal point. After this point, no, the decimal parts, decimal numbers are there, no, it should be equal in numbers. Okay. So, add 2 zeros. So, 2.321 and 4.600. See here, now these two decimals are like decimals. How? Because after the decimal point, how many numbers are there? How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Understood children? So, in this way, first point is you should convert it unlike decimal into like decimal to add or subtract. Okay children? Now, arrange the decimal numbers one below the other in such a way that the decimal point of all the numbers fall exactly one below the other in the same column. So, what is the meaning is, look here, we will take one example here. Look here, this is an example. What is that? Addition. This is the sum for addition. Okay. See here, first one is add what? 149.25 plus 121.7. So, what we should do? First we should convert unlike to like. This is unlike, no. See here, after decimal point 2 numbers are there. Here after decimal point only one number is there. So, what we should do? We should add 0 to that. Okay. Now, look here, 149.25 plus 121.70. Write this number as this. Okay. So, now write the number in column. How? The decimal point should be, okay, in a line. How to write in a column? In such a way that the decimal points of all numbers fall exactly one below the other. That means, below the decimal point should come. Like that you should write. Okay. Decimal point should be below it. Okay. See here, so you should write like this. Add or subtract the decimal numbers by treating them as ordinary numbers, ignoring the decimal points. Now, you can add or subtract as an ordinary number. Okay, no need to worry about decimal point. Just you put the decimal point here. Okay. After After calculating the answer, put the decimal point exactly below the other decimal point, that is in the same column. Okay. See how means, come here, we will do this sum. So, what we should do? We should convert unlike to like, then write it one, okay. See in this way, in column, okay, and just add 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 7, 9, and the decimal point is there, no, put one decimal point here, and 9 plus 1, 10, and 1 is the carry, so carry it, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus carry, 7, 1 plus 1, 2. So, this is the answer. How easy, no? So, this is the way how you should add the decimal numbers, okay children. So, if it is 3 number also, no problem, you arrange it, make it unlike to like and arrange it as the decimal point come, okay, come in a line, okay, fall exactly below. In this way you do the sum, okay children. Come, we will see the sums. Turn the page. Now, see, come we will do assignment 1, okay. Arrange the decimal numbers one below the other and add, okay. See, one has done for you. Look here. See, first we are going to arrange the decimals one below the other and we should add it, okay. So, come we will do the third sum, okay. So, look here, what are all the decimals given? 45.7 and the one more number is 35.07. So, what we should do? So, this is unlike decimal. What we should do? We should convert this, what, 35.07, 2 numbers are there here, 2 digits are there, 45.7. So, convert this 45.7 into 45.70. What I told? You can add zeros, okay. To convert unlike to like, you can add zeros at the end. Now, you add, instead of this number, you write this number. So, 45.70 plus 35.07, okay. Come, we will add it, okay. See, in this way, you should write what? One below the other and the decimal point should be in a line, okay. Now, add as an ordinary number. 0 plus 7 is nothing but 7. 7 plus 0 is also 7 and put the decimal point. 5 plus 5, 10, so 0 and 1 as the carry, and 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus carry, that is 1 is 8. So, what is the answer? 80.77 is the answer. Okay children, understood? Come, we will do the next sum, that is nothing but, which sum we will do? Come, we will do the sixth sum, okay. Come, we will do the sixth sum. See here, read the sum always, 59.4, that is the one decimal number, comma, this is comma, and 487.45. So, what we should do? We should convert it into like decimal. So, this is having 2 digits after decimal point, here only 1 digit. So, 59.4 we write it as 59.40, okay, 59.40, add zeros at the end to make it to equal number of digits, okay. Now, write it one below other, 59.40, instead of this number you write this number, plus what is the number? 487.45, okay children, this way you should write. See, 487, 59, okay, ones in ones place, tens in tens place, 100 place, 100 place, like that you should write neatly, otherwise you can't able to add, okay. Now, you add 0 plus 5, 5, 4 plus 4, 8 and decimal point you put here, 9 plus 7, 16, so 6 you write and 1 as carry, okay. 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 1, 14 and 1 as the carry again, and 1 plus 4, 5. So, this is the answer. What is the answer? 546.85. Write the answer here, 546.85, and here also you write the answer here, 80.77. Okay children, how easy, no? Yes. Come, we will do the ninth sum. Okay. How to do the ninth sum? Arrange all the numbers in column and you add it. Okay. See here, I will add it. What is the first? You read the decimals. 30.7, 40.8, 102.0023. So, how many digits are there after decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, what we should do? We should write this number as, see, 30.7, no. We should write it as, see, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we should write 30.7000 because 4 numbers are there. Okay. So, in this way 7 you write, after the 3 zeros you put, then it will be a 4 digits after decimal point, and this also you write like that. 40.8 we write it at 40.8000. Okay. Okay children, 40.8000. Now, I write all the numbers here. 30.700, 40.8000 plus 102.0023. Understood children? Okay. See, ones place, tens place, 100 place. Okay. Now, you add the numbers. Okay. See, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 3, 3, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 8 how much? 15. 15 plus 0, 15 only. So, 5 you write here and 1 as carry. Okay, decimal point you put decimal point. 1 plus 2, 3, because 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 0, 7 and 1. 1 as itself you write. So, what was the answer? 173.5023. Okay children, so in this way you should add the decimals. Understood?